This is Alex with Roofing Nation Renovation. This is the fourth attempt on repair on 4818 Aspen Drive. We're going to attempt to repair this missing shingle right here. And go ahead, get started. Careful, just ripped right there. Just ripped right here. Shingle above. How far over? You gotta get over here. Go. Oh, just ripped right here. This one just ripped. Ripped up here. I'm just trying to, and we're not even lifting these shingles high. This is just from us trying to pop the nails out to repair this damaged shingle right here. The shingle's about to come off. Over there, another rip right there, where his hand's at. We're using the approved tool and we are being as gentle as possible. This is a start to finish video, so you know we're not trying to manipulate anything. And the reason we're trying to remove the shingles like this is because if we try to take the nails all the way out, we're noticing that it's literally causing rips and tears up in the shingles. It's going to lead to leaks, and we don't want to be liable for that. So we probably are going to have to come slap a tarp on each one of these repairs now. The shingles are in such bad condition. Rip. There's a hole right here from us popping up the shingle. Rip right there. That's the shingle above. And a rip over there. Can you show a rip right there? Right here. Almost popping up right now. All right. We're being slow and gentle. Can you move that nail right there? Thank you, sir. Trying to lift him up as shallow as we can and just rip him. Two in the middle. one just from us nailing it down, the nail just came through the shingle. That's just part of the repair I was having to do. That's what's the problem is if we try to repair this, we're just going to keep going all the way up. Every single side. It's going to cost way more for repairs than just to replace the roof. Thank you. I end in this video, and I'll send photos of this repair as well.